Here I have HUAWEI P20 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to use the upper bar and let's find here the screen recording right here. Let's tap it. So here you've got some information about the screen recording. Let me tap agree to them. And as you can see, the device is starting recording the screen. So here you can record your screen, your apps and everything what's going on your device. And if you would like to stop the recording, you can tap stop right here. You can use volume up and power key together. Let me show you. And you just stop the recording. Or you can also use the third way. So let's just tap screen recording again. Here you can choose don't show again this option if you would like to, or you can leave it like that and tap agree. And the device is recording screen again. And here you can also double tap on your device by using your two fingers. Let me show you. And you just also stop recording the screen. Now if you would like to find your videos, let's find and select the gallery. Let me skip the auto synchronization. And here under, for example, albums or photos, let me choose albums, let's choose videos. And here you can watch your screen recording. As you can see, you also record the voice. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.